Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, false information is circulating. I actually have seen two websites mention this, some of them really big websites, the news outlets that people will tend to trust in general. And it has to do with Gmail accounts. So there is, and some of you might have seen, the news about Google asking 2.5 billion people to reset their passwords because of a data breach and that it's extremely important and so on and so on. Well, it turns out to be false, and Google did say that there is no such thing as a data breach that happened and that no, people don't have to reset their passwords at all. They wanted to say that their security systems are extremely secure, blocking 99.9% of anything that has to do with the security of accounts, and that nope, stop worrying about it and don't listen to whatever they're saying. This comes after a few months back when we talked about many websites saying that a massive data breach of accounts had happened, and it turns out it's just a database of data breaches of the past that just surfaced up again, but there's nothing new in there. You got to be very careful with a lot of websites on what is happening and how they talk about it, especially when the websites aren't really tech websites, but general news websites. Many of them tend to pick up news items without really understanding or looking more in depth as to what the story is all about. So, nope, you don't have to reset your Google or Gmail password. It is not a problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.